Hi everyone, this is Kiko Vlogs, a Filipino actor based here in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad gawa natin yung reaction video, ang Don Bell compilation. So in one sec and longer, let's start this reaction video. Ano to, ma'am? Ay, wait, bakit may Teka lang, ha? Bakit may mga masahe-masahe na nagaganap for today's video? Alam ba to ng mga magulang ninyo, Don Bell? Charis, alam ba to? Don Bell, alam ba to ng mga magulang nyo for today's video? Bakit may mga ganitong eksena sila for today's video? Hindi siguro. Ay, huwag na natin panoorin yan. Magagalit na naman sila sa akin. I-call out na naman ako. Ay, eto yung video nila. Ay, halika dito. Sumugal ka ng 10 minuto. Alam mo, ano talaga nila, no? Trademark na talaga nila yung sayaw na yan, no? Ginawa din nila before yung Don Solueta, eh. Bakit mo naman kami iiwan? Bakit naman ang iiwan, Ben? Saglit lang. Saglit lang daw mga bubbly. Sila muna. Okay, sige. Pagbibigyan namin kayo. Cheers! Ay! What is this? Ah, mga baby pa sila dito. Happy birthday, Belinda.
Like,
Oh my God!
Kiss. Last
Grabe yung mga
on-screen
tanong ni Sir
Kiss.
MJ Pilipino.
How was it like?
Oh my
I
God.
think, and we both actually know this, our supporters have been waiting for this moment too. So,
Oo.
we didn't want to make it something na sobrang
Naakala namin.
cheesy.
Ready na kami. Cheers!
May mga
Nakala ko
slow-mo,
ready
slow-mo.
na
We
ako na
just
makita
want-
ko yung
honestly,
nagalikan. Pero
We said if
hindi
we're
pala.
gonna give it, let's make it something
Hindi
even
pala
sis
talaga ako
Fuentes
ready,
deserve.
ma'am.
And kailangan namin ipakita yung pagmamahal nila. So, yun, doon namin nilabas. It's also for our characters to deserve that kind of love, diba?
Mm-hmm. Are you closing your doors for a future Gondol project? Let's say 10 years from now?
Ay, patingin. Ay, iba talaga sila. Deserve. Ah. Hala, katabi niya si Donnie. Nakakainis. Oh. Parang ito, dito ko na-discover si Belle, pero nagigitara. Ay, hindi siya nagigitara nun. Maybe this time ang kinanta niya nun. Ang ganda talaga ng ano niya, ng boses niya. Ay! Mami, ba't ganun sila? Hindi talaga ako magsasawang panoorin to. Tinitingnan niya. Iyak ako. Hindi tayo pag-iyak. reaction ni Bel yan. Cutie. Ay! Uy ha! Happy birthday, Belinda, June 10, 2022. Ah, okay. This was to be posted. Happy birthday, Bel. Ay! Bakit may mga ganito sila? Ay! Ay! Okay, napanood natin to. When was this? Oh! Bago lang to.
Hello, Negros Occidental.
Ay, yun to.
Maraming salamat to everyone who showed up. We're doing the cinema tour right now,
I
and then
love
we're
you so
going to the mall
much.
show later.
Pero kay Bel ka
This
lang,
is the last stop for our
Ah!
promo tour. How do you feel?
This is our last mall show. Siyempre, natutuwa ako and I'm so excited
Last
to
na
see
pala nila
everyone
ang
later.
Negros.
See you guys there.
Ay, dami tao. Grabe! Grabe na support! Ay, si Niyakan po. Niyakan po sa kasi natuwa si Beth. Wala na, nakakaiyak lang. Ewan ko ba, pagdating sa Donbell, ang babaw ng luha ko talaga, I swear. Seriously. Babaw ng luha ko, man. Grabe na support. Daming tao. Pang third week na yun, tayo sa wakas. Anyways, that's over for today's video. Our Donbell compilation. Ay, hindi ko pa This is Kinyo Vlog. See you on my next vlog. Bye!